Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CASI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy day today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support to keep an eye on, going to be right here at approximately the $3.20 mark. You can see late day, the price was doing battle with it, so the bears are trying to press down below it. But so far, so good. The bulls are doing a great job of holding strong. And that's definitely the ideal level of support. I mean, if you're saying, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Definitely staying up above 320. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, definitely staying above it would be, the biggest sign of power. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So if you're somebody that's just sitting there saying, look, Clay, how do I gauge the overall strength of the move? This right here being defined as the move. If you just want a very cut and dry way to gauge that overall strength, use the purple line. And the easiest way to do that, as long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are at full strength, full health, full control. However you can visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, you want to see it stay above $3.20, but if it doesn't, as long as the price does stay above the purple line, then the trend is still fully in the bulls' favor. Now, what about areas of resistance? I'm only going to talk about one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second, but that key level of resistance is right there at $3.88. So $3.88 being key level of resistance going into tomorrow. Reason I'm just talking about one level of resistance is, in my opinion, at this point in time, it's not really, the priority is not breaking levels of resistance. The top priority is going through some healthy consolidations and building a higher base, because as long as prices build higher bases over time, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So 320, if it can hold above there, that'd be great. But if not, go through a healthy consolidation, and healthy being defined as staying up above that purple line. So we'll see what the bulls have in store. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.